by Holly Nicol. 4:35 a.m. September 21, 2017. Getty Images. Was Prince Harry pooped on by a bird while camping with Meghan Markle in Africa? That's the latest claim from a certain tabloid. Gossip Cop can correct this fabrication. We're told it's nonsense. The ridiculous allegation comes from the latest issue of Star, which blares in a bogus headline, "Holy crap, Harry crowned as romance runs afoul." In the accompanying story, the untrustworthy magazine contends His Royal Highness was pooped on by a bird in need of a bathroom break while celebrating Markle's 36th birthday in Africa. In an attempt to explain its bizarre premise, a so-called source is then quoted as saying, Harry and Meghan stayed at a luxurious tented bush camp in Africa, where their quarters connected to a private outdoor bathing area. The magazine's dubious insider goes on to add, heading to the open-air shower, Harry's head became the target of a swooping bird with sniper poop precision. Meghan squawked and left, explaining it's actually good luck when a fowl hits its target, further purports the tabloid's alleged source. Let Gossip Cop set the record straight on this wholly manufactured report. A royal source close to the situation tells us the story is complete nonsense and never happened. Tellingly, the American publication is the only outlet that's reported the so-called incident, proving the story is entirely made up. Additionally, while it's true Prince Harry recently took the Suits actress on a romantic gateway to Botswana, the unreliable magazine doesn't provide the reader with any specifics about when or where Prince Harry was supposedly pooped on. It's all lies. Of course, we're not remotely surprised by the magazine's latest piece of fiction, as the publication doesn't exactly have the best track record when it comes to reporting on the royal family. In February, Gossip Cop called out Star for wrongly claiming Prince Harry and Markle were living together at Kensington Palace. And shortly before that tall tale, we debunked the tabloid when it falsely alleged in 2016 that Markle was pregnant with Prince Harry's baby. Much like those inaccurate stories, this latest one is equally phony.